Parang hindi yata pantay. Okay. God, what happened to my hair? Hello Queens! Welcome back to our channel! Alam niyo ba guys na hindi ako nagpapagupit ng aking hair sa parlor? Meron kasi ako naging bad experience long time ago. So, iniyakan ko talaga ng bonggang-bonggang yung pagkakagupit sa aking hair. Isip ko na mag-cut ulit ng aking hair. Ang haba na ng hair ko ngayon and ayan. So, ganito na siya. Pero para maiba naman, meron tayong ifa-follow na hairdresser. Siya ay si Brad Mondo. Isa rin siyang YouTuber or vlogger. And yung mga videos niya ay syempre all about sa hair, cutting hair, coloring hair. And may mga ginagawa din siyang reactions sa mga ibang nag-DIY ng kanilang hair. Pinapanood ko to lagi and naisip ko na why not na sundin yung kanyang paggugupit ng hairs. Ang title ng kanyang video na ito ay Hairdresser's Guide to Cutting Your Own Hair and Not Ruining It. Try natin na i-follow to, yung kanyang video. Excited na ako. So, start na natin!
Today, you're gonna learn how to cut your own hair at home properly. First of all, you're gonna need some tools in order to cut your hair at home. What you're gonna need is maybe a couple of clips.
Yes, meron akong clip. A couple of clips, pero tatlo na lang yung aking
hairdresser scissors. They're not expensive. You can get cheap ones, but at least they
hairdresser scissors.
Office scissors or kitchen scissors. It's not going to do it as good a job as this is going to need a comb.
So meron akong comb. Ito yung aking comb.
And some hair ties. These are just like the tiny ones.
I have hair ties.
Big ones you can do. And a brush would be great in general. You definitely should have one.
Ito lang yung brush ko guys, so hindi na lang ako bibili, so ito na lang yung brush ko nandito.
Guess who it is? Today we're going to be cutting on dry hair. As a hairdresser, we usually cut on wet hair, right? Usually you get your hair washed.
So dry na yung hair ko,
but today we're going to work on
lang.
dry hair because let's get into the technical stuff. We're going to start off by doing our 4 sections. We're using 4 sections, not 2. We're going to part our hair just like how we part it normally. So if you part to the side, part to the side. If you part to the middle, part to the middle.
Okay, so okay siguro to guys. Pantay na ba? Sana pantay na.
And section out each of those slices into 2 more sections. So we're going to go to the top of the head, and you're going to lay your comb on there, and you're going to find where the apex is. That's the high point of your head, the tallest part. And I'm going to take the comb from that apex and go right behind her ear all the way down. Right there. Right behind her ear. And those are our 2 sections.
Okay. Okay na ba? Grabe, ang hirap pala. Kasi hindi mo masyadong kita yung side.
Sections on this side, and then you're going to repeat the same thing on the other side. So for now, I'm just going to throw a couple of clips in the back to keep them.
Okay. Oh! Ha! Nagsama! Ang hirap! Yes, I can do this. So, yan. Pantay na ba? Yeah. Okay na to guys, kasi ang hirap pala niya. Ito lang pala yung ating i-clip. Yung nga sa likod. So, ito hindi. Okay. Okay. Tapos, sa kabila naman. Yeah. Uy, medyo mabilis tong isa. Yan. Okay, okay na yan. Alright.
Please make sure your hair is all brushed out or combed out. And let's start off with
or comb out.
And be like, look in the mirror and figure out where you want your hair to land. If it's like right here, just mark it with your fingers and remember that spot. We're going to take one of our elastics, we're going to comb it together in our hands, and we're going to make a little ponytail right where make sure you're not directing the hair forward like this.
Oh,
Okay?
ayoko
You want
masyadong
it to
maano.
be right on the shoulder. So if your shoulder were there, it'd be like this.
Dito, side.
Right about here, I'm going to put my elastic in. Alright? You can put it up high, and then you can kind of drag it down. But make sure when you're putting it in, you're not lifting this section up or down. Alright, you're not going like this. You're going like this, exactly how it should lay. Make sure to keep the tension on that hair at all times. So now that we have that in there, to the best of our abilities, we're going to take this and just bring it down. If you need to, you can just drag this down a little bit to exactly where you want to cut it. So let's do like that much here. And it should lay nice and flat. Now that we have our front section done like that, let's move on to the back. It would be nice not directing it forward or back. It's just straight down. If you have a lot of hair, you can do more than 4 sections. That's totally fine. I'm going to do just 4 sections to keep it simple today. And we're just going to bring that down, slide it down 2 feet.
Okay, guys. So
we're going to repeat those 2 steps on the other side, and I'll see you in a second.
kailangan ko ng tulong ng aking sister para gawin yun. Kasi ayaw natin magkamali sa likod. Wait lang. So yung likod ko ay ito yung itsura. Pinaano ko kay ate.
So what you can also do now is just put the... We are going to point cut. Now point cutting is when you go up instead of across, or down but instead of across. We're not going across. None of this. But I'm just going to start cutting that hair. Just taking a little off at a time.
Okay. Ooh.
There's our first cut. Congratulations! Alright, and we can point cut down on this and take some of the bulk out.
Point cut.
Ooh, first cut down.
Wait,
All right,
wait.
Second.
Okay.
Now, the same exact way. Sort of lift it up. You can pull it to the front. You can cut it just like this. Just don't pull the elastic. We're going to start cutting this.
Medyo malaki yata
Side the same exact way as we just did on this side.
Okay. Hindi ko masyadong guys. Yan, hindi ko masyadong piniklian.
We did our first cut. That was so fun. Now that we have all that done, we're
okay.
gonna let these sections out, and hopefully everything is perfect.
Perfect.
First section. Let's let the next section
out. Wow. Pantay ba? Parang hindi yata pantay.
And
hindi pantay. Hindi siya ganun pantay. Look. Mas mahaba. Mas mahaba ito. Kaysa dito. Okay, pero gagawa na natin paraan yan, guys. Ito na lang gagawin ko. Mapantay sila. Konti lang naman. Okay. Ayan. Tapos, sa likod. Ito, guys. Hindi ko alam kung pantay sila. So, pantay ba? Woo! Pantay! Ayos, okay!
I'm not taking off camera to perfect this at all. All I've done is exact. So, we're going to bring the hair back into those 4 sections. We're going to use those 4 hair ties once more. We're going to take our brush this time, or a comb. You can still use a comb if you'd like, but I prefer a brush for this. Alright, so now we're going to take the hair and bring it all to the top of our head. Like
wait.
Make sure it's all nicely brushed out. Super important that if there's no tangles, everything is very smooth. And we're going to take our finger and go through about 1.5 inches up, or an inch up, just like halfway through that ponytail, and let that down. And the rest of it, We're gonna bring it up to the top, put the elastic in while holding that tension just like this. So I just put the elastic right there. I'm not gonna cut it right there. Once it's tied tight, let it down very lightly. Leave it like that. So what we're doing.
And, so guys, hindi to siya talaga pantay kanina. So as you can see, oh my god, ayusin ko na lang yung later. Kung papaano. Yan. So, like this. Ganyan daw. Diba?
We're gonna do the same thing on the back. We're gonna lift it up to the apex. We're gonna let down half of that hair. Keep it up high while you're putting the elastic in and let it down.
Okay.
It's gonna look very weird, but it's all.
Okay. Grabe, pinagpawisan ako. Ano ba yan? Okay. Shoot, guys. Hindi pala nag-film tong aking hindi ko napindot. But anyways, yan. Ginupitan ko na siya ng konti. Here, dito. So, pinantay ko lang. Tapos, ano ba yan? Tapos dito, yan. Medyo pinantay ko lang din. Kanina kasi medyo mahaba. So, pinantay ko lang. Yan o, yan. Pinantay ko lang siya. Tapos, ganun din dito sa kabito. Tinanggal ko lang yung mga hindi masyadong pantay-pantay. Pero konti lang din. Ayoko na masyadong, natatakot ako eh. And then, ang likod natin ito. Ganun lang din. Pinantay ko lang yung dulo. Kanina hindi pantay ito. Okay. Tapos,
my favorite part. We're gonna let all these sections down and see what we got. Oh, yes! What we just did is going to be very evident when you blow dry it. Not so much when it's straight, but as you can see, with the layering at the bottom, it's not totally blunt. You have a little bit of body, a little bit of movement in there. You see that? So pretty. Okay, so let's bring it all down.
ayan. Ano nangyari? Oh my god! What happened to my hair?
Not so blunt. You can see when I mess it up, all those little pieces.
Guys, look
down
at
here.
my
It
hair.
looks so much more natural and a lot more movement. It's so much prettier that way. This looks awesome. Look at that movement we have now. Now, that's pretty much the extent of layering.
Okay, so ayun guys.
Don't do too much of it.
Ito yung itsura ng buhok ko. So, tapos na yung kanya. Yun na daw yun. As you can see. So, no. Actually, kung bakit nagkaganyan niya. Kasi dapat pantay yung nasa harapan at doon sa likod. So, kasi ginupit ko yung nasa harapan ko na hindi pantay sa likod. So, dapat pantay sila. So, ayan ang naging itsura niya. Hindi pantay ito sa likod. Ayan. Ito yung itsura na sa likod niya. Sa likod niya, not bad. Diba? Okay naman. Pero, guys, ayoko nito. Ayan. So, gagawa natin ng paraan yan kung papaano. No need to panic. No need to panic. So, you can see, hindi siya pantay. So, ang gagawin natin, ibibilang natin siya. Okay, so this is how it look like. Umokay na siya, guys. Okay, so ganyan na itsura ng hair. Umokay na siya. Okay. Tapos, ang gagawin ko ay itong medyo maliit. Ayan. Ito na talaga yung ginagawa ko pa nagugupit ako. O, diba? Okay pa. Okay. So guys, ito na yung hair ko. Ano ka? Mas okay pa to kaysa sa dati, di ba? Kaysa kanina. Ayok. Okay na siya. Tapos, sa likod. Guys, look at this. Oh, yan na. Mas bongga, di ba? Hindi ko na ginalaw itong aking nga sa unahan kasi medyo maikli. And then yung itsura ng hair ko talaga nasa gilid. So this is how it looks like. Yung hair ko. Yan guys, okay naman ako, satisfied naman ako sa hair ko. Yun nga lang, medyo umikli siya kasi talaga mas preferred ko yung mahaba-mahaba. Pero kailangan na kasi sobrang nag-dry siya. And tinanggal ko talaga yung mga dry, yung dulo niya na matigas na dry. And tingnan nyo guys, yung dulo ng hair ko ngayon, sobrang okay na siya. Nagmukhang healthy na ulit. And nagmukhang mabigat. Para-recommend ko yung kanyang ginawang hair tutorial. Okay naman siya kasi mali lang yung ginawa ko sa hair ko dahil nga dapat pantay yung nasa unahan at saka sa likod. Kaya siya hindi pantay kasi mas maliit yung nasa unahan ko, mas mahaba yung nasa likod ko, tapos ginupit ko pa siya. So sana yung ginawa ko kanina, sana hindi ko na naginupit yung una para pantay pa na siya sa likod ko para hindi naging ganun. Pero ayos naman, nagawa ng paraan, medyo umikli nga lang ng onte. Inaasahan ko kasi hanggang dito yung hair ko kanina. But it's okay. And good thing, marunong ako mag-cut ng hair. So yung sister ko kasi ako yung nagupit ng hair. And okay naman, nagugustuhan naman yun ang cut ng hair ko. So that's it for today's video. Please give this a thumbs up if you like this video. And hope you enjoy guys kasi nag-enjoy ako. And ikaw queen, nandiyan ka naman sa aking channel. Mag-subscribe ka na. And hit mo din ang bell button para ma-notify ka sa mga bagong videos. Thank you for watching and I will see you on my next video. Bye!